So we're going to start by refilling your bobbin. So first you're going to place your thread onto your thread spool pin. And then you're going to put your thread cap onto your thread. And then you're going to take your thread and you're going to put it through your tension guides. And the diagram is engraved onto the machine just in case you need some guidance while you're doing this. So follow the guide, and it is numbered, and there are perforated arrows pointed in the direction of the thread. And so you have your thread coming through your thread guide, and then through your thread tension. And then you're going to reach for an empty bobbin case. And there's a diagram that also shows you how to properly load the bobbin case with the thread coming through the middle of the bobbin and pulling it through the top of the bobbin case through one of the holes. Then place it onto the bobbin gauge and press down, activate it, pulling thread through maybe about 3 to 5 inches, and then gently pressing your foot onto the foot pedal just to get it going some. Then you're going to cut off this extension of thread. Notice that there are some thread on this bobbin case. And then allow your foot to add the rest of the thread onto the bobbin case simply with the speed of your foot pedal. And what happens in this case is this machine is sensitive enough to know that once it is loaded, it will start to trip up and slow down, and you'll be able to cut the thread. So if you're using a heavier weight thread versus a lighter weight thread, the machine can sense it. If you're using a heavier weight thread, your bobbin case will be filled much quicker than if you were using a lighter weight thread. Notice how it's sensing it, and it's just moving away, and you'll see that it'll start to slow down shortly, indicating that there's enough thread on this bobbin case. So it's starting to slow down. Okay, so now what you want to do is simply take your scissors and just cut. And you can really gauge this. This is your call. And then deactivate it by simply sliding it over in its original position and removing your bobbin.